Hi, lovelies. Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel again, guys. Today, I am more than excited to show you how I made this gorgeous, sleek looking Ghana weaving. It's also called Feed in Cornrows. What do you call it? I don't know, but mostly I call it Ghana weaving because I'm an African and that is what we used to call it back home in Africa. Anyway, guys, to start with your cornrow, you need some very essential items, which are your rat tail combs, your cutting combs, your detangler, your clips, your pins, whatever item you think you need to get started with the hair, get them ready and let's go. So, first things first, I would like us to know that to get a very attractive cornrow, you will need to make sure that your lines are straight, clean, and shining. I just can't overemphasize this because clean and straight lines make your cornrows to pop. All right? Have you heard? Okay, let's proceed on the journey. After you make sure that your lines are straight and clean, you need to get started with your cornrow. So start the cornrow with the natural hair of the client. I have always said this. Don't say I didn't tell you before you render someone bald. Okay, guys. So when you start the hair with the natural hair of the client, gradually feed in your cornrows with tiny extensions and systematically increase the size of the extensions so that your cornrows will be like mommy water. So your cornrows will be clean, will be popping, will be elegant, will be very demure. You get it. This hairstyle is so beautiful that even my clients was happy all through the process of making this hair, even until we finished. Guys, if you look closely at my hands, you will observe that I am gripping this hair from the root. You know, there are some kind of hairs that would get very old quickly. It will look like you have made the hair since 1940s, not knowing that you probably made the hair a few days ago. That is why you should grip the hair of the clients or whatever person's hair you're making. Ensure to grip the hair. Grip the hair. Grip the hair. I have told you. Anyways, as you grip the hair, ensure that your hands are not shaking. Because if you start shaking your hands like you are scared of making the hair, the result will come out though. It will show on the cornrows that your hands were not steady. Your cornrows will not be straight. Your cornrows will be wobbling. So ensure that you steady your hands whilst making the cornrows, whilst feeding the cornrows with the extension. Make sure that the fear that is inside of you does not reflect on the hair that you are making. I have said it too. I have said it too. Anyway, guys, I'm just so playful on this voiceover, but it is what it is. So, guys, make sure that you watch my hands closely as you make your own braids. Practice, they say, makes it perfect. I was not the one who said it, though. They don't talk and before them bomb me. So the more you watch the video, try to ensure to practice, because the more you practice, the more self-confidence you will be, the more confident you will be. So guys, if you watch me closely, you will see that I'm braiding the hair to one side. I don't know the name of this hairstyle, but if you know the name, write it in the comment section. Some people call it one corner, some people call it one side. I don't know what it's called, but if you explain what you want, I'm sure I will give it to you the way you want it. So guys, Please ensure to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, because if you don't subscribe, wait till you gain. Wait till you gain. If you subscribe, you are going to be amongst the first people to see my video whenever I drop it. As I did do for you, make yourself they do for me, guys. Let me not talk much on this video. Let me allow you to watch. Until I see you again in my next one, remember to share, remember to like, remember to drop a comment. I'll leave you to enjoy this video until we see again in my next one. Just stay put and continue to watch. I love you guys.